We started looking around at friends' kitchens and asking people for advice, and everyone that had gotten a kitchen from IKEA absolutely loved it. They loved everything about it. It was very durable. It was going to last through our young children and provide us everything that we needed, and we would be able to design it ourselves and start from scratch. So that sent us to IKEA. When we got in the door there, we learned they were coming out with a brand new line of kitchens, and so we used their online software to design the kitchen. We got in contact with ProBuild through IKEA, and they sent people over to help us design and measure the kitchen. We knew exactly what we wanted on the day that the new kitchens were out on the floor at IKEA, and we were there at 10 o'clock in the morning ready to purchase our kitchen. Our project was terrific. We moved into a brand new house and we had a very old kitchen that needed a lot of help, and IKEA was the place to go to find exactly what we needed, but we didn't know how to get it in. So IKEA sent us to ProBuild, and they made this wonderful kitchen happen for us.